Hello, welcome to the SafeIt Office 1000N series training. This will be session number 2, titled Hardware Information. Hi, my name is Sagi Kratu and I'll be your trainer for this session. Let's continue. Today's objectives is we're going to learn about the look and feel of the SafeIt Office 1000N and NW security appliances. We will learn about the 1000N NW rear panel elements, and we will learn about the LED status. Here we can see the SafeIt Office 1000N appliance rear panel, and on the right we can see the power inlet cord. It accepts a 12-volt power supply, a DC power supply. We can see the DMZ or WAN 2 port, which can, by a simple choice, can be either a secondary internet connection or a DMZ port, or assign it to be a VLAN trunk for extending the VLAN capabilities of the appliance. Here we can see the WAN port. It's an RJ45 1 gig port, and it can connect to any type of Ethernet connection, like a DSL modem, like a cable modem, a router, and so on, to enable you with internet connection. On the left we can see a 4-port LAN ports, and for internal connections these ports can be assigned as also a port-based VLAN or a secondary internet connection if the DMZ port is occupied. This feature is called FlexiPort. It enables you to assign each port with different role, whether it's a VLAN, secondary internet connection, and so on. The serial port is mainly done for debug, for CLI access. Also in later firmwares we enabled it to become a port that used for external modem, for example serial modem, in order to dial in like an out-of-band management, so you can dial into the modem and then gain CLI access or SSH access to the appliance. The reset button can be used for several things. For example, reset to factory defaults. It can be used into just resetting the appliance. Let's talk about the SafeIt Office front panel, where we can see the different types of LEDs, and the different colors of the LEDs will inform us on different statuses. For example, the power LED can be either off, of course, or green, which means normal operations. The system LED, in terms of if it's red, it means that the boot failed, or in TFTP mode you can actually flash the appliance with different firmwares or configuration files. If it blinks faster or slower, it means different things, and so on and so on. All this information you can find in your books. Security LED would mean when it's off, it's a normal operation. Flashing for 5 seconds means the virus has been blocked. If it's flashing for only 1 second, it means that a hacker attack has been blocked, a firewall has blocked the attack attempt. The different LAN LEDs, in terms of the connectivity speed, whether it's 10 meg, 100 meg, or 1 gig, would color differently, whether it's green, yellow, or no light at all. VPN, if it's flashing, means there's VPN traffic. If it's on, there's VPN connectivity. If it's off, no VPN at all. And serial, of course, when it's on, there's serial connection, and when it's flashing, there is data transfer. Let's talk now about the wireless. As you know, all the relevant wired connections are exactly the same as before. So the LAN, the serial, the WAN, the DMZ, and the power are all the same. And as we can see here, the power, reset button, as we spoke about before. Here are two new things: the antennas. These are the connectors to connect the attached antennas. USB can provide mainly two different types of connections. One for different types of printers to become a network printer if it's only a USB printer, and 3G cellular modems. There are different types and a lot of kinds of modems that are supported, and usually we add new modems as they come out. I suggest looking at the supported or HCL list of modems that are supported on these appliances. We talked before about the LAN, the DMZ, the WAN connector, and again the front panel, the same behavior. as before, regarding the power, the system, the security LEDs, the LAN or Ethernet connection LEDs, VPN, serial, USB. Talks about that when it's flashing, it means that it's in use, whether it's a USB port or if it's a 3G connection or a printer. And the new LED is the wireless, which means when it's on there is no activity but it's on, and when it's flashing there is wireless connectivity. This concludes session number 2 of the Check.me Security Management from the Cloud. Please join us for session number 3 called Security Management Portal Overview. Thank you.